Now it's time for something brand new to the Cool Beans television show. Every week we'll be going live and direct to the 24/7 Berlin-based webcam rave, Das Washen Raum.
At the moment on the decks is Svenja Svensensen, one of the greatest minimal techno DJs of our generation.
Wow. On the decks is DJ Egg and DJ Smeg, who are going back to back.
Oh dear, oh dear. On the decks this week is notorious audiobook-only DJ Thomas Wriggleton.
Goodness, what big eyes you have, she said. They're better to see you with, I said. Then I gobbled her all up.
Well, judging from the live cam and chat room, it looks like top notch and deep house are popular at the moment.
I absolutely love Deep House Mickey, but you know what I can't stand? Shallow Garage.
Oh wait, hang on.
Hold on.
The atmosphere in the chat room is changing drastically. Looks like top knots aren't as popular anymore. Why?
Well, for the final time, we're now going to go live to the 24/7 Berlin-based webcam rave, Das Washen Raum.
This week they've stepped it up a notch and booked the controversial EDM DJ MBUKTHR, who's renowned for throwing pies at his audience.
Let's hope he doesn't do that today, eh? Oh no, he is.
Oh dear, that was not pretty.
There's a life lesson to be learnt here, kids. Don't book EDM DJs. And we've just heard that Das Washen Raum has been shut down forever due to food poisoning.